Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit.
Hi everybody, my name is Mr. 4 and this is Force TV. Today I'll be unboxing the new P37pro from Itel. Guys, there's a story behind this phone. I'm so excited to unbox it. There's a nice story behind it. You have the Diamond Platinum's story behind it. Diamond Platinum is now the new brand ambassador for Itel. So that's something new and something good that we have heard. We have seen how Itel has been moving with this P series, the Power series, the P33, the P36. Now we have the P37 Pro in our hands right now. And also you should check out this on the box. There's the Diamond Platinum. Diamond Platinum is actually the new brand ambassador for Itel. That's a good news for African music lovers also. What we have right now is the P37. Let's check out the box. We have the P37 Pro here and the 4G Diamond Platinums, 32 plus 2 gig RAM. Yes, we have the IME 9 numbers here. We have the components and the specs of the phone here. You can check it out, the 6.8-inch HD screen, AI 30 megapixel AI Power Master. We're going to talk about this, the 4G network, the octa-core, the face unlock, the Android 10, and the 32 gig and the 2 gig RAM. So basically this is how your original P37 box should be looking at. Right, what we have right now is the box. Let's open it. Here we see the pouch of the phone. It's a see-through pouch. You have the SIM pin, the phone itself. Fast forward button. You have the phone itself. Charger, USB port, earphones. Okay, the charger is a 5 volts to 1.0 amps, right? That's the output of this charger, so it's a fast charger. Right now, let's check out the outlook. Dual camera, right? This is a big dual camera with the ray fingerprint here. Right now here we have the volume up, volume down, and the power on and off. With the speaker here, the USB, ordinary classic charger. We have a 3mm jack, the SIM port. Yes, from the P37 and the P36 you could also check out that this one is kind of like bigger. This phone is big than the P36. It's big, it has a big screen. Now let's see what's inside in the components. When you talk about the P series, we're talking about the Power series at Itel. Not that, guys. You should know that as customers and as users and as retailers, AI Power, right? It is what we call the AI Power Master. This means that this phone charges faster than an ordinary smartphone. It has a capacity of charging very fast than an ordinary smartphone. And also it has an octa-core 8 times processor. It means it can process things 8 times than a usual in your basic smartphones. And we also, other thing that you should also check out is the Android 10. Android 10 basically is not the latest, but is one of the latest. Is that we now have Android 11 in other devices. And the 13 megapixel dual rear camera, this is strictly 13 plus 13, not 13 plus 5 plus 2. No, this is 13 plus 13, 2 times on the front camera, on the back camera, whereas the 5 megapixels on the front camera. That's the other thing you should check out though on the P37. The P37 is packed with a lot of power, 5,000 milliamps. That's about 2 days, 3 days, 1 day if you are a heavy user, 2 days if you are moderate use, 3 days if you don't even use this phone, you just use this phone for picking up calls, texting, messaging, and basic stuff. This is a good phone for that. Now we're going to talk about the camera of this phone. The P37 is what we call the short video. You can do short video, 30 seconds, 20-second video for TikTok, Fiskit, whatever, Facebook. And we have the photo. The photo comes with, it's an AI camera that comes with how many filters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 filters on it. You can use that. With the portrait mode, if you want to take a wide angle photos. The more, let's check out the more what we have with the Pro. Pro, this is when you want to take photos which are very specific. Some people they understand this, some people they don't. We have ISO. Yeah, you can check out how ISO, how you want to zoom it. See, we have the CR, we have the MF and the WB. And also this phone right now, what you should also check out, guys. I didn't say this much, but you should also check out. It comes with filters. It comes with filters. So many filters. It has so many filters. You can play around with the AR shots, the cartoon characters. You play with that with your friends, your family, kids, and stuff like that. If you want to send a message on using a picture, or you want to send a meme, sort of, you can use this phone. It comes with that. You can play around with that. You can even change how the camera wants the format of it, the filters with the original, the electric, the grill, the warmth, the cars, and the forest. Yes, and you can also add text on the phone, like I just said, the meme thing, keep calm and stuff like that. And you can have smile photos. And some people have been complaining about the watermark of Itel, but this one you won't even have to worry about the watermark. You can change it here. If you want to change the watermark, you go to settings and then you say watermark on and off. There's something you should also not. I saw somebody on my page asking me how to remove it, right? Yeah, and here this is for short videos. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, photos and stuff like that. Now let's check out the gaming experience of this phone. When it comes to the gaming, guys, I don't lie, the graphics are on point. I wonder how it can stand Call of Duty, Cover Fire or something like that. But I can see how the details are, even the resolution of this phone. It's on point, guys. I don't lie, man. The gaming experience is cool, even though I'm just using a pre-installed game on it. But I don't lie, guys. This is awesome. So gamers, this is also your phone, and with a 5,000 milliamps big battery, check it out also too, right? I'm gonna clarify on that. Yeah. It's so fair that we should tell you where to get this phone in Bulawayo, right? You can get this phone anywhere, but we're gonna tell you where you can get it in Bulawayo. You can get it in Bulawayo at Itel exclusive shop number 5, Esats Complex, 10th Avenue, or at T-Mobile shop 54, Joshua Nkomo Street, Byo Centre. You can get this phone, or you can contact the numbers which are just rolling down the screen. I hope you can see them because I can see them. Just make sure you get these numbers right and these addresses and go to these shops and get your Itelp37pro. So guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And to all my followers out there, I am not lying, I'm being real. If you share this video, right? If you share this video and you put a screenshot on the comment section of you have shared this video, I'm giving out earbuds, Tecno or Itel earbuds. On my next video, I'll announce we have won these earbuds. So make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you share this video, right, send a screenshot and put it on the comment section. Either it's Facebook where you've seen this video, either it's Instagram, whether it's Twitter, whether it's YouTube where you've seen this video, and don't forget the hashtag ForceTV. From me and my guy behind the camera, this is ForceTV.
This video was brought to you by Itel exclusive shop Bulawayo, shop number 5, Esats Complex, 10th Avenue, and T-Mobile shop 54 Byo Centre, Joshua Nkomo Street, Bulawayo.